Hi, Chris from ECUMaster USA Support. Today I'd like to cover how to test outputs in EMU PRO. First, make sure you're connected to the EMU PRO and powered on. Verify the ignition coil assignments are assigned, the firing order is assigned, and the injectors are assigned. Then go to Tools, Test Outputs, and under Category, select ignition outputs or injector outputs. We'll select ignition outputs. For the outputs, you can test each coil individually, or you can test all the assigned coils. We'll select assigned coils, hit test. It will go through and it will test each coil that is assigned under the ignition smart grid. You can do the same with injector outputs by just selecting Assign Rail 1 Injectors. To test the outputs on other components like boost solenoid, you can go to the Boost tab in the Boost Smart Grid, scroll down to Actuator. The output for that solenoid should be assigned under Output, which in this case is aux7. Click on Testing, press the space bar. You can press the space bar again to check it, and then hit Enter or click off of the field. It will bring up this menu. You can go to Type, but we'll select PWM. Frequency, you can set it to 29 Hertz. Hit Enter. Go to PWM duty cycle, enter 50%. Click on Enable, spacebar again to check it, and hit Enter. And that will enable it, and you will hear or feel the solenoid vibrating. When you're finished testing the output, go back to Enable, uncheck Enable, then go to Testing, and uncheck Testing and hit Enter. Make sure you uncheck Testing or the boost solenoid will not work in its normal function. In the next example, we'll test the VVT solenoid. Click on the VVT tab, scroll down to Actuator and Solenoid. Just the same, go to Testing, hit the space bar again to enable testing. Hit Enter or click out of it and it will drop down the menu. You select PWM, change the frequency to 20 Hertz since this is most audible, and duty cycle can be 50% or 80% to hear it. Enable, and you will hear the solenoid. Hope that helps. Have a great day.